The best place for visit in Sydney. Listed some of the main attractions in Sydney Harbour, such as harbour views and Sydney Harbour lunch cruises, along with a major attraction in the island of Indian Ocean. Traveling around the world requires energy that is unfathomable, and that acts as a solid cultural investment. Here is a description about 2 wonderful destinations I traveled before the pandemic consumed the globe. Sydney is often recognized as a wonderland with many distinctive destinations that can captivate seekers' attention. Sydney, the capital of the state of New South Wales, will never disappoint its visitors. Sydney is recognized as one of Australia's largest cities, popular for many harbour attractions and world-famous cruise operators. Sydney Harbour is where most of the best and unparalleled views of Sydney lie. There are many outstanding architectural wonders like Sydney Harbour Bridge, an opera house, along with popular tourist locations such as Luna Park, Royal Botanic Garden, and so on. There are many lunch cruises in Sydney offering high-quality restaurant-style dining experience and amazing harbour views. Get on board an authentic paddle wheeler that has a dining saloon with a theater-style layout and imbued with an old-world charm. The cruise includes individual reserved tables and a 1-hour cabaret show called The Voyage of Love by an Australian cast. You can enjoy a 3-course seated and served menu along with seasonal fruit platters. You can taste your favorite Australian red and white sparklings, beers, and soft drinks from the fully licensed bar on board. If you have never been to a cruising restaurant, I think you should definitely try this opportunity at least once. Because you can have the best of a Sydney Harbour lunch cruise, high-quality restaurant-style dinner, and a spectacular show in the same package. Catch sight of the Sydney Harbour wonders from the wrap-around verandas while you cruise past the most scenic route. Try to click some amazing photographs from the picturesque background and share it with your friends and family. The next location is Mauritius, one of the beautiful Indian Ocean island nations well known for its beaches and lagoons. It is a moody ethnic society where people live harmoniously. Sagar Shiv Mandir Temple is one of the popular temples in Mauritius. Researching a country's history, culture, and cuisine before going for a trip might be time-consuming but a worthy investment. The local guides who are well-versed in the history and culture taught me about the condition of Indian slaves in Mauritius during the colonial era and slave trade along with its national history. The Indian Hindus started worshipping their god from then, and now, Mauritius has some amazing sets of Hindu temples. We walked around Sagar Shiv Mandir. There is no entry fee. You can simply walk in and can enjoy its serenity. It has deities like Lord Shiv, Hanuman, and Goddess Lakshmi to worship. Listen, Indians, there is an important thing to remember. You don't need a visa to stay in Mauritius. The local Indians in Mauritius said to me that Indians can visit Mauritius even without a visa, but not more than 60 days. Make sure about the visa policies. I think you guys can come and explore Mauritius easily. Try to travel and visit as many places as possible. Local histories and stories can teach us about the natives, their lifestyle, and ethnicity. I have learned so much from them. You can also meet some amazing set of humans who are more compassionate, honest, open, and joyful from your journeys. Every person is an abundance of knowledge. Everyone can teach you something. Thank you for watching.